7 people evenly divided the cost of dinner in a restaurant. They paid a total of $119. How much did each person pay? We can imagine $119 bills that these people paid. Each of the 7 people paid the same amount, so we can think of this money in 7 columns. And by counting up the rows in each column, we see each person paid $17. But it would take a lot of time to draw this picture, so a better way to approach this problem is to use long division. We'll start by writing the long division symbol. The number being divided goes inside the symbol. The number that does the dividing goes outside the symbol and is called the divisor. The answer will go above the division symbol. Can 7 go into 1? No. 7 is bigger than 1, so it can't go into 1. So we'll need to include the next place value. Can 7 go into 11? Yes, 7 is smaller than 11, so 7 can go into 11. We need to find how many times 7 can go into 11. One way to find how many times 7 can go into 11 is to write out part of the multiplication table for the 7s. The red numbers are all the multiplication products. The purple numbers are possible answers we could choose. We then find where 11 would be in the list. It's between the purple 1 and purple 2. If we were to use the purple 2 as an answer, then the red product of 14 is too big since 14 is greater than 11. So, we'll take the biggest purple number in the list but also has a red product that is smaller than 11. That purple number is 1. We write 1 in the answer space, starting above the second red number 1. We have to write it above the second number 1 rather than the first number 1 because we're dividing 11 by 7. We're not dividing 1 by 7. Next, we multiply our current answer, which is 1, and the divisor, which is 7. We get 7, so we write 7 here. Next, we subtract 7 from 11, and that gives us 4. Then we bring down the 9, so our new dividend is 49. Next, we have to find how many times 7 can go into 49. We return to our multiplication table and see that 49 is on the 7th row, so we choose the purple 7. Then we write that purple 7 on the answer line. Then we multiply the purple 7 by the divisor, which is also 7, and we get a new product of 49. Then we subtract them and get 0. That means there is no remainder. The answer is that each person will pay $17. This problem shows us how important it is to know the multiplication tables. Here's a memory trick to help remember the 4 steps of every division cycle. Please pause the video if you wish to read more. Thanks for your attention.